Hello everybody, today we make a beautiful dish. We make linguine with a clam and we make white sauce. Now a lot of people said to me, Pasquale, but we no got no clams and a shell. I said, no worry about it. I show you the way I do with the no shell. And you can buy clams and you got a baby clam inside. It's so beautiful. And now we got over here the linguine. We gotta use a lot of garlic and we got a parsley. And I gotta use wine. Now, for the clams, what I do like this. I got this over here and I drain the water. Not throw away the clams water. I drain over here in this cup, like that. After what I do, this is the water for the clams and I put it back over here. Now, we gotta go and sink. And make sure you use cold water. And I put over here, and I dump over here. Now, make sure to wash with the cold water. After you wash like this, and I put over here on this cup over here. All right, and now, this I'll leave right over here on the table because this I gotta cook. Okay, now this dish, it not take too long. And this now the water boil and we put salt. At the same time, I got my linguine and we put it right on the water. And make sure when you put the linguine, do like this. Okay, it go all over the place. And now, before I start with the clams, I want to make sure that the linguine, it got everything inside the water. Because you leave the linguine close to the pots like this, with the heat, it burn the pasta. Now, the gas on over here on this pot, and we put oil. Okay, now we put the garlic. Okay. And make sure do not burn the garlic. Okay, you burn the garlic, the pasta, you know, come out good, okay, it's too strong, the garlic after. What's everybody do home today? I hope everybody do little thing, chin chin, salute. Hey, I hope somebody make a pasta with these clams. It's really beautiful. Hey, I don't want to burn my garlic over here now. You know, I talk to the people over here. I don't want to do this. To make sure that you not burn. Oh, the smell is so good. Wait till when I put in my oil, baby, the flake out the pepper. Boom. Oh, this it give a really good spice stuff. Now, you see the garlic? It's enough. Now, we put the clams. All right. Okay, now we lower the gas. Gotta be really small flame. I don't want to burn my baby clams. Okay, now this I'll cook for a couple of minutes, and now we need the wine. Okay, now we leave evaporated the wine, nice, look how beautiful it look, and make sure to use a dry wine. I like a dry wine, it's good to for cook. Okay, now the wine is evaporated everything. And we got the juice for the clams. And we put it right over here. Now, when you do the pasta, a lot of people throw away the water. Make sure to keep a little water. Maybe you need, when you saute the pasta together with the clams, everything. And look at the sauce, how beautiful it look. What happened? I not burn the garlic. But you burn the garlic, the color, it's not the same. Now this is nice, start to boil everything, and we put little green. And this parsley, it's from my garden. And look at that. All right, now we load the gas really low, and we gotta wait for the pasta when it's ready. And now we need a little black pepper. Okay. Okay, good. And we give a nice turn. And look at these clams, how beautiful look. Okay? Now, make sure to not cook it too long. Okay, you cook it too long after the clams come tough. It gotta be nice, you see? The way I put inside, it still look the same thing. Okay, now the pasta is al dente. Okay, I gotta put over here on this spot, okay, cook a little bit more to give you a really good taste. And we pick it up with this over here. And look there, beautiful. Oh, this pasta with the clams, a nice glass of wine. Really good. Okay, now we put it back over here and we give a nice turn. Oh, look how beautiful. You see? Over here, like I say, so you need the water you use, but so you don't need no use. Okay? I got enough for juice for the water for the clams. Okay, now we put it right over here. And what I gotta do, I gotta taste it now. Really, really good. Yeah, I like the garlic. Not throw away the garlic. All right. Okay, now let's taste this linguine with the clam, baby clams. A lot of time people say to me, Pasquale, you taste everything. What happened to your wine? No water. I got it right over here. They do salute e cin cin at everybody. And you make this dish and you let me know. It's really, really good. Delicious. And with a glass of wine, it go much better. Cin cin. Salute, and we'll see you next time. Cin cin. Ah, really good.